Hi guys, I'm here with Chris Rickard at the Team Techademics actual headquarters right here. Just had a quick second to chat with him. One of the big things, man, is what was your main motive to do this? Like, why did you do this to change everyone's lives?
Well, you know, what happened was I became an internet marketer and I started buying all these courses and all of this software to learn how to become successful. And instead I became overwhelmed. There was so much information, so many different directions.
Yeah.
But eventually I cracked the code. But it took years. And eventually I started making hundreds of thousands of dollars online and then even millions of dollars online. And sure enough, everybody came to me and said, Chris, can you teach us? And so I started teaching and developing my own courses, my own software, kind of on that same loop.
Yeah.
But what happened was I realized I'm just becoming part of the problem instead of part of the solution. The problem is people are overwhelmed, there's so much information, we talk like a fire hose, there's got to be a way to get structure. So I figured the solution is, what if there was a way to teach internet marketing the way that like schools teach education? The same way you could take like an 18-year-old kid and 8 years later turn them into a doctor. You know, a few years later they're doing brain surgery on somebody. Yeah. There's a science to learning. So I went on a mission. I went and researched all these PhDs, these professors, everybody, and I said, if you were teaching a class on how to make money on the internet, how would you structure it so people actually learned it so they didn't feel overwhelmed? And that's when I came up with the idea, why don't I create my own internet marketing school? That's exactly what we did this year. We launched the first ever of its kind, Techademics Internet Marketing School, where technology meets academics.
Yep. It was a wild weekend, man.
It was wild.
That was cool to see you get to graduate and all that, dude.
Yeah.
That was awesome. We had so much fun.
We had a blast. There was like over 1,000 people there. The room was buzzing. We had a 90-foot screen. It's just been a blast. The support that we've had for this school, the biggest thing people tell me is this is long overdue. There's needed to be an entrepreneur school in the marketplace, and it's long overdue, and I'm just very, very blessed and thankful to be a part of it.
Yeah, I agree with you on that, man. There's just so much stuff out there. I bought countless software, and they promise the world to you, and they never deliver really what they really say they do. So thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys.
Check it out. Check it out. Look into Techademics. Get some more information. Find out, because you know what? We're looking for people right now to help us spread this awesome message.
Yep. Take care, guys. I'll see you on the inside. Keep watching the rest of the videos. Have a good one.